welcome to my channel where we celebrate the tasty ingredients and cook delicious food together. If you have not subscribed yet, please click on the channel icon down below. I would love to share my weekly cooking experience with you. Here's the list of ingredients for the dish. The recipe can also be found in the description field down below. Fall is here. It is the harvest season full of beautiful colors. In the fall, the freshly harvested radish, potato, and carrot are very tasty. To add our own hue of colors to the miracle of fall, today we're making soup with these three ingredients. Let's shred all of them. For detailed instructions about how to shred the vegetables using a chopping knife, please check out my Chinese shredded potato salad video, where I did share lots of detailed instructions. Here, for the portion of the chopping, I will increase the speed of the playing so that I don't waste your time. But the first thing we're gonna do is to shred a third of the carrot. Remember, we don't need the whole carrot. We just need a little bit for the color and taste. Carrot has a stronger taste. If we add too much to it, then the soup is gonna taste more like carrot, and it will cover all of the taste of the radish and the potato. So we only need 1/3 of it. And then we're gonna chop the potato. Here I picked two medium size potato. You can control the portion. Add a little bit more potato, then the soup will taste more smooth and give you the starch taste. If you add more radish, however, you will have a better, how do I say, crispy taste of all of the soup, and it's more clear instead of the starch thick soup out of the potato. So you can really choose between the portion between these two ingredients of your own. For me, I also add a little bit beef. You can choose pork, chicken, or if you're a vegetarian, then you can just skip this step. I shredded the beef as well. When you shred the meat, just make sure you cut through the fiber so that they are easy to chew. It doesn't require too much time to cook. Shred it. And then we're gonna add a little bit cooking wine and black pepper to remove the bloody smell from the meat, and add some cornstarch. Mix it well. This way the beef is going to taste a lot soft instead of that woody feeling that if you don't add those materials, it could give you a woody taste. Then add some ginger root, minced ones. If you don't like the ginger taste, you don't have to add it. You can skip. Then we're gonna pour the water in to cover the material. By the way, this soup is really good to eat either alone as an appetizer, or for me, I actually combine it with rice or mantou. Check out my mantou recipe as well. It's a great dinner or lunch. And just simmer for about 10 minutes and add some fish sauce. If you're a vegetarian, you can actually add um, soy sauce instead. But don't add too much, it'll change the color. And then add salt. And we're going to cover the lid. Actually taste it a little bit for 5 more minutes. And it's ready. How easy it is. And we're going to garnish it with some parsley. And the soup is ready. Delicious, yummy, healthy. How do you think about the color we added to the fall? Hope you enjoyed today's video. Please check out the other videos in my channel. See you next time.